Hello ladies and gents, welcome to the exciting 5W5 presentation series. 5W5 stands for explaining 5 W's of a topic in just 5 minutes. The 5 W's are what, when, why, how and where. Let us get familiar with templates in C++.
Hi Bose and Kumar.
Hi Raj.
I need to build a audio player that supports multiple audio formats using C++. Give me some ideas.
You can get a sample code in Google. Why don't you try Googling it?
No Kumar, I want to develop my own software.
I can think of building your software with templates.
Templates? I heard it is complex. Can you simplify?
Sure. Templates can be considered as a pattern or mold which is capable of taking different types of input and produce an output. So for example, we can consider a juicer machine which can produce juice from any kind of fruit, or we can consider a media player software capable of playing different types of audio formats.
Interesting. Can you explain more?
To build your software, we can use either a function template or a class template because your media player needs to accept different audio formats. Though templates are existing since 1991, people find it complex. In 2011, variadic templates feature was added. Variadic templates allow variable number of arguments.
Boss, why can't I use functions instead of templates?
In case of normal functions, we need to create multiple copies of the same function for different data types. Whereas in case of templates, a single function is sufficient, which is easy to maintain.
How about macros?
Templates are type safe compared to macros. That is, compiler ensures the correct data type is taken care. For your info, many of the standard template libraries like containers and iterators are written in templates.
Hi Raj, let us look at a sample code for your requirements. In the sample code, we have two classes, a MP3 and WMA. Each class has a simple constructor and a play function. In the main function, one MP3 and one WMA object are instantiated. We invoke the play media template function with instantiated objects. The play media function is going to invoke play function corresponding to the object passed. For example, play media mp3 files will invoke play function of mp3 object. Now let us look in how template function is defined. Play media is a template function with file as its template parameter. The file represents a type that has not yet been specified until the user calls it with the required type. For example, if we pass mp3 object, then the play function of mp3 object will be invoked. So this example demonstrates a single function that can work with different data types.
Thanks guys. With your help, I can visualize how to develop my module. Let us look into other aspects. Can I port template-based code from PC to mobile?
Templates generate extra code at compiler level and needs more code memory, though some modern compilers may not suffer from this. Mobile platform is an embedded system with limited code memory, so space constraints need to be considered. Make sure your embedded system compiler supports templates.
Is there any performance overhead due to templates?
Since evaluation of data type happen at compile time, it improves execution time and may increase compilation time.
I heard that templates are difficult to debug.
Initially, it looks difficult for beginners. With practice, it gets easier.
Thank you Bose and Kumar. You made my life easy.
All the best, Raj.